Today we're making frozen chicken wings in a Pit Boss vertical pellet smoker. These things are completely frozen. And if you remember back to my last chicken wing video, I let them thaw out first and they shrunk and they became these little itty bitty wings. So we're gonna try and cook them from frozen like the bag says to do, but we're gonna cook it at about 225 degrees instead of 375 like the instructions say on the bag. And that's gonna let these wings absorb a bunch of smoke, which is what we want. We're making smoked chicken wings, of course. So let's get these on the tray and I'll show you what we're gonna do. I've got one of these half baking sheets. It fits perfectly in my 3 series. I bought it off of Amazon. It also came with one of these little grids. So that's what we're gonna use to keep the chicken out of the juice. We do want to get them crispy if possible, so we'll put that on. You could always line the bottom of your pan with foil if you wanted to. And now I'm going to take some spray oil and just spray this so nothing sticks. And then we can just start laying our wings out. See how many we can fit on here. And these are jumbo, so looks like I'll get 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got to get a dozen on here, so I'll make some room. 11 and 12. You can see, I'm sure, the ice crystal's still on here. These are hard as a rock. All right, so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna put these in the smoker for about 20 minutes. We're gonna let them defrost a little bit, and then I'm gonna hit them up with the rubs that you might have seen off to the side. So let's get them in, and then we'll come back in about 20 minutes. Get the door open. Gonna put them in here, right about the center rack. Get this door closed. And that's it. We're gonna let it go for about 20 minutes, like I said. Let them defrost a little bit so our rubs will stick. We'll come back when it's ready. All right, it's been about 20 minutes, so let's get them out of here. That's how they look. Just now defrosted, took on a little bit of smoke color. So let's get our rubs on here. All right, so the first rub I'm using is this Pit Boss Competition Smoked. Really like this stuff. In fact, I'm just about out, so I need to get to the store. It's kind of got a hickory smoke flavor to it. It's got maple syrup, like dried maple syrup in there, garlic, onion, bunch of good stuff that'll give us a nice texture on the outsides of these wings. Next up is going to be a little bit of this Heath Riles garlic jalapeno rub. I'm getting low on this too. Just tell you how much I use it. I do like it. Good flavor, good jalapeno flavor. So we're going to load these up, and then I'm going to finish it off with this Pit Boss Sweet Heat Rub. This is really good stuff. As the name indicates, a little bit of sugar and spice. Just like that. And then I'm going to flip them all over. And we'll get the other side. All right, that's it. So I am now just about completely out of these, so I got to re-up on that. And now we can put these back in the smoker. Again, we've got it set at 225. I'm gonna put these back in for an hour, and then we'll come back and see how they look then. All right, it's been an hour, so an hour and 20 minutes total. Let's get this door open. We'll check the temperature and see how they look. All right. Let's pull this tray out a little bit so we can see. They've taken on some nice color. Skin is very soft on most of these, but that rub did stick pretty good. And we'll check the temperature of this big fat wing right here. Get it in there. So we're hitting about 125 degrees right now. We need to go to 165 at a minimum. You can actually go much higher than that if you wanted to, but 165 is what we're gonna shoot for, and we wanna crisp these up a little bit. So let me get this door closed. And now I'm gonna turn this up to 275 degrees until we get some nice crispy skin. If you wanted to, you could just let it go at 225 for as long as you want, but I am gonna try and crisp them up just a little bit and speed up the cooking process. So we're gonna set it to 275 and we'll come back when the internal temperature is a minimum of 165. It's been another hour. I just took the wings out of the smoker. They're not quite done yet. I just want you to get a look at them. I wanna flip them over and then we'll put them back in to let them finish. These have just a beautiful, beautiful color to them. That skin is getting a little bit crispy. I took the temperature. They're at about 145 degrees right now. Before I flip them though, I've got some whiskey mixed with water. So it's about a shot of whiskey and a cup of water. And I'm gonna spritz them a little bit here, just because they are a little dried out. And now I'll flip them over. This way we'll give that underside some time to crisp up as well. All right, back in the smoker until they're fully cooked. After about 3.5 hours, these chicken wings are smoked to perfection. We did a little experiment by smoking them from frozen. I used 3 different rubs on them. I used that Pit Boss smoked competition, the Heath Riles garlic jalapeno, and the Pit Boss sweet heat. So we're not gonna use any sauce on this. We just wanna taste the smoke, taste the dry rub, and see how they turned out. So check out these wings. Just a beautiful dark color on these. They were really able to take in a lot of smoke. You know, look at that. Just awesomeness right there. And that's pretty much how they all look. Nice dark color, a little bit of a bark. The skin is crispy, crunchy. Not sure if you guys can hear that, but it is crunchy. So I got myself a dozen wings here. Which one should I go for? I kind of like this one here. So let me get a bite. I go right after that skin. Let's see how it tastes. Nice smoke flavor from those pellets. I use the charcoal mixed with applewood. I can really taste the spiciness from that sweet heat rub. The garlic jalapeno. Oh man, is that good. Let me get one more bite. Wow. Do I recommend smoking them from frozen? It took a lot longer than normal, but I do think that they took on more smoke than normal. So you just gotta weigh that out. And hey, if you like this Pit Boss smoked chicken wing video, you're gonna love one of these 2 right there. Check them out, and I'll see you over there.